Hello friends, I am Anju Yogesh Munde and our today's topic of discussion is types of cell. Basically, cells are of two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. First we are going to concentrate on the prokaryotic cell. Here the word prokaryote reflects that pro means primitive and karyon is related with nucleus. The prokaryotic cell have primitive nucleus. It means that the nuclear envelope is absent in the prokaryotic cell, because of which the genetic material is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. The region of cell containing genetic material is called as nucleoid. Single, circular, double-stranded DNA is present in case of the prokaryotic cell, and because of which we can also call it as the prokaryotic cell contain single chromosome. Extra chromosomal circular DNA is present, called it as plasmid. Transcription, that is RNA synthesis, and translation, that is protein synthesis, occurs simultaneously in the cytoplasm. Because of the absence of the nuclear envelope, that is barrier, the genetic material is in contact with the cytoplasm, and because of which these two processes, that is RNA synthesis and protein synthesis, occur in a same compartment. This is a typical bacterial cell. In this bacterial cell, the ribosome is 70S type, and this prokaryotic cell is of small size, and because of which the cytoplasmic streaming is absent and the distribution of molecule is occur by the process of diffusion. In this bacterial cell, we observe that it has a capsule, cell wall, and then cell membrane. The cell membrane is made up of peptidoglycan. This prokaryotic cell has two projections. One is small hair-like called as pilus, while larger one called as the flagellum. The larger one, flagellum, is help for the adherence of the bacteria to the substratum, while the pilus are helpful at the time of the conjugation to hold the another bacteria. Now, eukaryotic cell. The word eukaryote reflects that eu means true and karyon is related with the nucleus. The eukaryotic cell have true nucleus. In these cells, nuclear envelope is present, and because of which the genetic material is embedded inside the nucleus. Nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast are the double membrane organelles which are present in the eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell contains the membrane bound organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, peroxisome. While we must remember that the ribosome is without membrane organelle. The paired linear chromosomes are present in eukaryotic cell, while the extra chromosomal circular DNA, that is plasmid, is absent. Transcription, that is RNA synthesis, occur in the nucleus, while the translation, that is process of protein synthesis, occur in the cytoplasm. Because of the presence of the nuclear envelope or a nuclear membrane, the process of RNA synthesis occur inside the nucleus. This RNA is going to be transported in the cytoplasm, and afterward the process of protein synthesis occur in cytoplasm of the cell. This is a typical eukaryotic animal cell. It shows the presence of different organelles. The ribosome are of ATS type in case of the eukaryotic cell and are more complex as compared to prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is of large size, and because of which the cytoplasmic streaming is observed for the distribution of the molecules. Now we are going to concentrate on the differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay, the first one is nucleus. The nuclear envelope is absent in case of the prokaryote, and because of which the genetic material is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. In case of the eukaryotic cell, the genetic material is embedded inside the nucleus. Next point is DNA. In case of the prokaryotic cell, circular single DNA is present, while in case of the eukaryotic cell, it is double-stranded, linear and paired structure. Histones are absent in prokaryotic cell, and because of which the DNA is uncoiled. In case of the eukaryotic cell, the histones are present, and because of which DNA is going to coiled on the histone protein, and it will form the structure of chromosome. Membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell, while they are present in case of the eukaryotic cell like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, peroxisome. Process of transcription, that is RNA synthesis, and translation, that is protein synthesis, accompanied simultaneously in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell. In case of the eukaryotic cell, transcription occur in the nucleus while translation in the cytoplasm. Next point is respiratory system. In case of the prokaryotic cell, the respiratory system is present in the plasma membrane. In case of the eukaryotic cell, it is present in mitochondria. It means that the respiratory system enzymes are embedded in the plasma membrane of the prokaryotic cell. Similar in case of the photosynthesis, the enzymes which are required for the process of photosynthesis are embedded in the internal membranes of the prokaryotic cell, while this process of photosynthesis occur in the chloroplast of the eukaryotic cell. The vacuoles are absent in prokaryotic cell, membrane bound organelle, and it is present in case of the eukaryotic cell. Here we specifically say that in case of the animal cell and plant cell are having less number of vacuoles and they are also small in size. While in case of the plant cell, the vacuoles are large in size and more in number. Now next point is lysosome. Lysosome are absent in prokaryotic cell while they are present in the eukaryotic cell. Cytoplasmic movement, that is cytoplasmic streaming, is generally not observed in case of the prokaryote, but it is observed in case of the eukaryotic cell. Organization in prokaryotic cell is unicellular while it is mostly multicellular in eukaryotic cells. Ribosomes are of 70S type in case of the prokaryote while it is of 80S type in case of the eukaryotic cell. The size of the prokaryotic cell is generally 1 to 10 micrometer while it is 10 to 100 micrometer in case of the eukaryotic cell. Example of the prokaryotic cell is bacteria and the example of the eukaryotic cell is plant cell and animal cell. Now we are going to discuss different functions of the cell organelles. First organelle is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane help to maintain the identity of the cell. It protects the cellular content. It gives particular shape to the cell. It acts as a barrier between the external environment and the cytosol. It also carries cell identity marker. For example, RBCs are carrying different markers and because of which the ABO type of blood group system is present. Next organelle is nucleus. It protects the genetic material. It contains the nuclear pores which control the movement of substances between the nucleus and cytoplasm. For example, RNA is transported from the nucleus into the cytoplasm and protein is transported from the cytoplasm into the nucleus. Next organelle is ribosome. It is also called as a protein factories. It has a role in protein synthesis. These ribosomes are present freely in cytoplasm or they may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. When the protein destination is plasma membrane or the membrane of the organelle, they are synthesized on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. When the destination of the protein is present inside the cytoplasm or inside the organelle, then they are synthesized freely. They are synthesized on the ribosomes which are present freely in cytoplasm. Next organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria, the famous name of the mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell because this mitochondria has main role in the process of ATP synthesis. ATP is act like a currency in the body of organism. These mitochondria can synthesize the ATP by the process of aerobic respiration. Next organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is basically of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is with ribosome and therefore it has main role in the protein transport and processing. While the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is without ribosome and it has a role in lipid metabolism and detoxification of the drugs. And because of the detoxification, it has a role in detoxification of the drugs. It is more in number in case of the liver cell. Next organelle is Golgi complex. It has a role in processing and packaging of material like glycoproteins, glycolipids, lipoproteins, etc., which are received from the endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi complex also transport the material to the destination The destination may be present inside the cell or it may be outside the cell. Next organelle is lysosome. Lysosome digests the excess or unwanted cell organelles because it contains 50 different digestive enzymes, and because of which it can digest the entire cell and the extracellular material. Thank you. Thank you so much.